How to create and add premium emojis on Telegram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily create or add premium emojis on Telegram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Telegram app, and then once you're in your Telegram app, here you have to tap on these three lines in the top left corner here. Then here tap on settings, and in settings scroll down a little bit and you will see here stickers and emojis. Open it, and then here go to emoji, and then here are all of the trending emoji packs. So if you have the premium you can use these emojis, but if you don't have premium and if you want to add stickers to Telegram, here you have to tap on stickers. Here it says artists are welcome to add their own emoji packs using our stickers bot. So tap on stickers, and here you will be taken to this bot, and here you will get all of the instructions that how you can add emojis on Telegram. So read all these instructions and you will be able to add and create emojis on Telegram. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.